We're just sitting in the motorhome, and I don't know whether you can see the what's it called, Paul? The cone, the traffic. No, man, the traffic cone, the traffic cone there, and we're watching a great tit. It's putting its nest inside. There's like a hole in the top, and it's just took its thing. It's all its little bedding in, but
has it come back in yet?
I don't think it's gone back in yet. I hope nobody from the caravan sites decides to move it.
Move it, I know.
I'll never make a twitcher. I've been sitting here for half an hour. It's buggered off and it hasn't come back. I think it must be sitting in a tree somewhere thinking, who's that daft bugger that's sitting watching me? I'll come back when she's not there. Never mind. It is nesting in there. It is building its nest. Just cannot see it.
Not sure you'll pick it up on here. I think it's a great tit there. And you're nesting in there.
There it is. It's a little birdie. Patience is a virtue.
You waited long enough for it to come back, haven't you?
I have.
It's a little nest on the bottom of there. Is there money for it?
I don't know what it's actually doing. I don't know whether it's...
Just looking in and out, isn't it?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's still there. It's like it's dropping something in, but it kind of... Unless it's got some eggs in there or something, like little...
We're seeing it going in with loads of twigs and all, as if it's building a nest, wasn't it? Here's another one on the right hand side, bringing some stuff out to put it in. Watch. There you go. It's a daddy and mummy.
Amazing. What's the other one? Was that the mummy that's gone in?
I think so. Brilliant, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I'm watching the male one, but I daren't move my camera because I'll miss that one.
Sure.
Can you see it there? I'm going to just slightly pan into it if I can. Where is it? Where is it on my camera? There it is. Oh.
He's down on the grass, now he's on a whale.
There it is.
Keep watching for that coming out.
I know, I'm looking. I know it's all over, isn't it?
You're watching for her coming out.
I am, but it's not coming out.
You know, none
Either daddy or the mummy, whichever one that is. I'll go back to the thing. You can see when that comes. Got the video on because here it comes.
Get in. Oh, I can't get them in.
Keeps getting stuck and it can't get it in, and it fights with it, and we'll get in the end. And it's fighting. I'm going to get in.
Turn his head sideways.
Come on.
Trying a different angle.
I want to go and push them in for it. Come on, get them in.
Oh,
That's it. Making sure before I take this stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fascinating, I think.